Alrighty folks, getting ready to plant these beans here. These are some of our Lizzies. Had never tried this before. We started these in the greenhouse, just more or less to keep the frost from getting them and just sort of get a little jump start on the growing. So we'll give it a try and see how they do. We'll plant them. The ground's a little bit wet, but we're needing to get these planted. So we're just going to pour in some of this dirt here, and that way it won't get real compacted around the roots. Thank you there, Miss Dixie. It surprised us the other day. We was at Rural King and Lowe's, and they was actually selling bean starts like this. It was it's crazy. It was one bean plant, $3.98. Now at Rural King they had 6 packs for $3.98, and at Rural King they had corn, 6 stalks of corn for $3.98. I had never seen it before. We'll let you know how these do. We've never tried this many before. We've just tried to see if bean seed was good and would sprout. But so far they're looking pretty good. They're getting runners on them. Let's see. Tell you what, Shug, if you want to, I'll go down through drilling the holes, and you can come behind the dirt around, or you can put the plants in, whichever you want to do. Okay. Hand me the dirt, I'll get this. Alrighty, and then we'll just get the runners started around the cattle panel, and then as they go up it, they'll come across the top, and them and gravity work great together. They'll hang right down for you to pick. You can pick right in the sun of the day, and you're in the shade.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road. Take me home to rest where the mockingbirds nest and to cry through the green in the spring. Let's go back a ways to the old bygone days and the simple time we lived back when. Well, let the pull of the plow bring the sweat from my brow, and the glow of the fire pull me home. Let me wind down my days in the sweet dusty haze. Take me back down the old dirt road. Oh, take me back down the old dirt road.
Alrighty, folks. We'll see what happens. Here they are planted. We'll give it a go and see. We'll be planting other beans. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe. It's free. And thanks for coming along with us.